everybody. Woo! Not gonna lie, it's fucking hot. What time is it now? It's gotta be about 7:30 or so at the minute. Thursday morning. We all met up about 6:30. Had a Mackey's breakfast. Yes. I was a bit hanging out my ass. Made the mistake last night. Spent the night with the missus, and the pink gin came out. It doesn't sit well with me. Pink gin and ultraviolet Monster. It was alright, or whatever it is. Monster, Relentless, whichever one it was. But we're on our way now. We are just shy of 3 hours away from Billing. We've got the old man in the 90 ahead of me. In front of him we've got Aled in his D1, 3-door, right, apparently. And in front of that we've got Liam and Smithy in his 3-door. So there's a few of us rolling down together. It's going to be a fucking absolute amazing weekend. Been looking forward to this for ages, absolute ages now. The hype is unreal. All the lads are buzzing. There must be, I reckon there's around 15 of our trucks turning up all together. See who makes it, you know. Bound to be somebody who breaks down on the way. But yeah, it's going to be a fucking epic weekend. Got a truck full of beer. I got my little dog wherever he's hiding. I think he's gone back to bed. He doesn't do mornings. He's a bit like me. And yeah, 29 degrees, here we come. So I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna get some miles down, and then I'll bring you back. Hope you enjoy it. Bit of an update. We are now 10-15 minutes away. Not been a bad drive, to be fair. It was less than quarter of a tank. We all met up, what, 6:30. It's now, what time is it? 20 to 12. Not bad. We had a stop as well at the services on the way. Just get a breather. Let puppy out, have a wee, and yeah. So everyone's just putting a little bit more fuel in now, and then yeah, we'll roll in together, and hopefully get set up without any issues, and then yeah. So I'm gonna go for a pee, let the dog out, and yeah, I'll bring you back once we're there. I'll catch you shortly. Back now.
I remember when I come here about 12 years ago in my 90, and this was the most extreme thing in the world. Now I could be like uploading a video and putting the hashtags in. And
I brought the series through here on brand new parabolics that hadn't been bedded in with Spee. He bounced his head off everything the entire way round the course.
I'm guessing there's water down the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, you're alright, don't worry. Jet with the gerbil. Rich, you want to know why are your feet so hairy?
Hairy? Nah, I won't say hairy. Come suck the mud off. I know you love it.
Wow.
Some people pay a lot of money for that, you know.
This mud don't come out, it stains.
Yeah,
It's alright.
Come on.
More sucking.
stains your skin for a few days as well.
You feel like putting it on my face for like my skin.
We normally throw the clothes away at the end of the week. It doesn't very often come out.
That's one match,
I had surgery.
One, two, testing. One, two.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, I don't fucking know. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this, but eating my way through the Challenge Southwest course. More than driving. This is ridiculous. Absolute ridiculous. on the Challenge Southwest course. They've kindly let me get on here to do a bit of filming. So big thank you for that. The lads are amazing. They've been nothing but kindness to us to get on, take pictures and footage. And on top of that, they let me on in my own truck. Win-win. So we got to do a bit of the off-road course today. It was the short course today, about half an hour one, something like that. So we went round, we got some footage of that, and it was pretty good. So tomorrow is the main course. Tomorrow's the lakeside course. So they've allowed me on there to get footage, me and a few of the lads, to try and get some good footage. So hopefully, you know, this all works out, and you know, you're not looking at a load of shit with noises. So I'm gonna shut up waffling, and I'm gonna sit back, watch the sun go down, and watch these lads absolute destroy it round this course. Hope you enjoy. Footage, get my ass down off this roof and go and get a damn beer or 10. I hope you enjoy. If you're not here, you're missing out. Catch you all shortly. wider. Go back a bit. That way. Oh, that looks like...
That's the wrong line.
Shall I put time-lapse pizza on this then?
Hey,
Shall I put time-lapse pizza on it?
Lee,
that's it.
Liam.
Just eat shit round here. You're gonna come and get it yourself.
Just he'll have it in 20 minutes.
Short off. Fat boy's got to eat.
Liam, can you see over the counter?
There you go, that's for you.
No, so you don't break it here. Well, me only got my boy.
So that's 25.
What have you got?
Thank you.
Meat feast.
You've got pineapple.
No, God no.
Tart. What have we got?
Meat feast.
I can see exactly where your thought process is as well.
Oh, wait till you turn it on.
Is it suppository?
This pickle myself is stuck in 10 seconds.
Yodeling pickle.
Yeah, I was fucking super stoned when I thought that. Put it in your mouth.
My mouth doesn't open that much. My dentist even said I'm rape proof.
Sing us a song. There's a nursery rhyme.
You sing Mammy.
I'm going to see what this looks
Deep throat
like.
the pickle. Deep throat the pickle.
Fuck off.
You've got a pretty mouth.
Yeah, I just had visions of playing some sort of drinking game with that and pickle.
Where is it?
Jess!
Go straight.
Stop!
Falls off, you know what I mean?
Carry on!
Do it. Then you get it when it...
To me. To you.
Cool.
Stop! Carry on! Carry on!
I'll get full dog.
Stop!
I end up with a sausage pile. Or I end up with a joint pile, you know what I mean? Because it all comes off in shrapnel.
Tom!
Big pot. But get you with a little burner going, see you. Give it over there so you're not going to get.
Oh shit.
You were mocking me for that.
Here we have the netted spotted old man on all fours in his primal position, wishing he was young again.
Working.
It's working? Jesus fucking Christ. I'm not filming that.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Sometimes it's work weekends.
Break silence, I'm begging. Too tired to tell you I ain't coming home. Stop for a second.
Right, just want to say a big thank you to everybody at Billing. It's been an absolute pleasure. We've all enjoyed it. We had a great time. It's been an absolute fantastic show. Everybody has made up, everyone's put the effort in, everyone's driven down. So we're all de-rigged now. We're just going to have a last quick wee stop before we make the 3-hour drive home. And yeah, then I get to sit here and edit all the lovely footage. So thank you very much for watching, if you've stuck with it and I've managed to finish this. Much appreciated if you go and like the video and subscribe if you haven't, and then you never know, come and get involved and come and say hi, put some names to faces, see who you all are. So yeah, big thank you from me and all the lads, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.
At the end of the road, turn right.
Thank you very much for a cracking weekend.
Hey, I see you still got your furry thing in your hand. you
Still
dirty
got me
beast.
gerbil.
Like a bloody treble out of
Have a safe drive home. See you later.
See you guys.